Sanibonani basisaneli ninjani kodwa la nikhona indaweni yendawo. Okay guys, today asikhulumi ngamamazala, asikhulumi ngadoda ehluphayo ejulayo, eqonywayo ehlupha umfazi, ekufanele ihlajwe amabhodlela, ekufanele ishawe nje abayigebengu zingayibulali zititinye nje ingakwazi nanokuhamba. Asikhulumi nga-sister in law odelelayo, asikhulumi nga-anybody. Ngifuna nje ukwenza ivideo namhlanje ngibonge ukuthi i-support eninginikeza yona, uthando olungako eninginikeza lona. Ngiwumuntu nje nami ongebani, then bengisihlalele one day ebusuku ngacabanga ngithi, you know, on Facebook we've got so many videos, people abenza ama-videos, but akunamuntu oyenza ama-videos about the issues that I am raising. So ngabhala status kubangani bambuza ukuthi guys ngicabanga ukuthi if ngingavula page nje, and then the feedback was wow, and then no, you can open that page sizokusupporta, and then I was so skeptical. Ngisaba nje ukuthi hey, what if ngenza i-page then nobody likes it, and then akunamuntu oyithandayo, and then what next? Then I said no, okay, it's fine even if akunamuntu ozoyithanda, but let's try ke, because uthisha wami wayethanda ukuthi zama uhluleke but ungahluleki ukuzama. Okay, so we've opened the page now. Sesinabantu abangaphezulu ka-10,600 asebelayikhile le page. Ngifuna nje ukuthi ngiyabonga, ngifuna ukusho ukuthi from enhlizweni yami ngibonga uthando nesupport eseningiphe yona. Okay, yeah, I know you guys seniyasho nje ukuthi oh Sanele dress, stop it, stop. Yes, I know this dress yangifanele yona, iyahlala nithi ulace lola ngemuva, and then the shoes zona ngicabanga, so seningifake na under pressure ukuthi manje sekufanele ngihlale ngigqoke kahle, angisakwazi ukufaka amateka ami ngizihambele. Okay, okwesithathu futhi engifuna ukusho ukuthi ngithanda ukuxolisa ke, if mhlambe khona abanye abantu abathi bakubuka lama video then they find them ngesikhathi aba offended, inhloso akusiyo leyo ukuthi kube khona abantu abazoba offended mangikhuluma about these issues. But if ngempela ngiyenza video and then I talk about a certain topic and then iya offend, kusho ukuthi kufanele uzunga amakhwapha uzibuza ukuthi yini le, why are you offended? Is it maybe udlone bese ukuthi nawe uyayenza leyo nto leyo? So if ngempela ngithe kwenye video maybe ngiyakhuluma weza ukuthi hayi uphatheka kabi, kusho ukuthi ke ngiyaxolisa, akusiyinhloso le. Inhloso ukwakha amakhaya ajabule, ubudlelwano obu-right between your sister in law, umamazala and everybody in the family, ukuthi kube mnandi. Umakoti afisa ukuvakashela emzini nomamezala amkhumbula umakoti, kube nje ne-relationship e-right. Okay, and then ngifuna futhi ukuxolisa ngendaba yama-videos that you guys cannot download on Facebook. Angazi mina ukuthi kwenziwa yini lokho, and no, abantu mangabe bengiwathumela ayanqamuka aphela ku 2 minutes 51 seconds. So I don't think it's right ukuthi ngikuthumele i-video ka-6 minutes but idlale only 2 minutes and 51 seconds. So angikho sure ukuthi ngiyenze kanjani ngaleyo. So that is why sometimes mani ngicela ama-video ku-WhatsApp ngingazithumeli because izonqamuka endleleni. So kodwa engikusuggesta ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi siyenze njani, ukuthi how about siyenze wonke lama video sesinawo namanye ngisazowenza siwafake in a DVD then nizowathenga ke, because that's another thing ukuthi manje ngithola ama-inbox amaningi, niyangazi ukuthi ngumuntu othanda ukudemonstrate mangabe ngikhuluma ngenivezela ubufakazi ukuthi ngempela lento engikhuluma ngayo ikhona. Ungasho ukuthi hey uSandile sekazenza celebrity usetheni uthola ama-inbox amaningi. Yes, ngiyawathola ama-inbox amaningi akhuluma ngezinto ezinkulu ezithusayo, and ngihlala ngisho guys, like yes, I have to say this again ukuthi mina I'm not a social worker, I'm not a professional person, but ngisuke ngikhuluma ngisho ama-views on certain issues ukuthi if mina I were to find myself in a certain situation, this is how I will handle it. But kusho ukuthi ke uNkulunkulu maybe khona into ayibeke phezulu kwami, then people bayayithanda indlela engicabanga ngayo, ukusho ukuthi ayi angeke. Yes, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi you're not a professional person, but mina I feel ukuthi wena unga-advise kangcono. So thank you guys for that. And then bengifuna ukunikhombisa nje ukuthi i-page le seyinama, okay now kungena i-call disturb, so let me just put it away ukuthi i-page lesson nabantu about 10,700 or 10,000 lapho. Yes, asebethande le page, and le page abantu I can't respond to your inboxes so isikhathi because ngumama onengane eziwu-3 ezingihlanyisa ekhanda, nginendoda ekufanele ngiyigone, kufanele ngiyinwaye umhlane, ngiyinqume inzipho, ngiyilethele ukudla, ngenze yonke into, nginomsebenzi engiwenza 8 to 5. So let's say uthumela i-inbox then I don't reply, it doesn't mean ukuthi ingoba sengingcono or ingoba senginibukela phansi. No, it's because isikhathi angakasitholi sokuphendula, but I try my best ukuthi ngiphendule wonke ama-inboxes engiwatholayo. So ama-inbox engiwatholayo athi manje, Sizanele, can we have ama-seminars? So ngiyiletha kini-ke le nto kusho ukuthi, what do you guys think? Ama-seminars singawenza kanjani? Abantu abaningi they are from Durban, they are Malane, Johannesburg. So bengicabanga-ke ukuthi ngiyilethe kinina, then ngizongitshela ukuthi nina nibone ukuthi lento singayenza kanjani. Ama-seminars, there are so many things ezaba involved ke. Niyazi ukuthi kuzofunekala ama-cost, kuzoba khona ama-cost azoba involved because ngihlala eThekwini, ngihlala eGoli. When I travel to KZN, obviously guys can need really, do you expect me to travel all the way to KZN? No, yes, leyo siyoyi-addressa ngelinye ilanga, kodwa ke ukuthi when we have seminars kumele siyenze a proper thing, singenzi for the sake of doing it. La sizoba nelanga lonke khona of talking about certain issues, nami ngingasengikhuluma ngingasacabangeli ama-data wenu, because mangenza i-video ngiyinqamula in 5 minutes or 6 minutes because ngicabangela i-data, ngicabangela i-data yini ukuthi mawuyibuka phela ungaphelelwa i-data. So bengicabanga ukuthi siyenza ama-seminars where we will have ilanga lonke, sibe nama-refreshments, la sizobe sikhuluma khona, ngikhuluma nani, nibuze imibuzo, si-interact, sikhulume about certain issues ezi-serious ngempela. And then okugcina-ke engifuna ukusho ukuthi, you know, when I make videos, it's not because mina I'm perfect or because mina ngizibona ngingcono or because mina azange ngiwenze lawo ma-mistake engikhuluma ngawo ma-videos, but if mina some of the mistakes ngazenza before, so the reason why ngiyenza my videos, most of the videos are based on my experiences and of other people enough. So most of the videos mangiyenza, it's not because mina leyo nto leyo angizange ngiyenze or because mina ngingcono, no, but ithi ngiwenze example, ngiyenza ukwenza ivideo ngomntwana, mangithi mantombazane asesemasha ngakashada ukuzala before uthola umshado, it's not the right thing. It's not because mina ngizalanga ngingakashadi ngaba nomntwana before, but the reason why ngiyenza video, it's because I don't want you guys to do the same mistake that I did. And you can't say uma wakho mangabe you can't say ukushuthi unenhliziyo embi mangabe uzohamba endleleni and then ubona inyoni and then you don't tell the person behind ukuthi hey ungadluli lapha because kunemama ezokushaya ikubulala. So mina ngiyenza those things not because ngingcono, not because mina didn't make those mistakes, but ngiziyenzile. That is why ngibuyela move ukuthi hey guys, mina sengiyibonile lento ukuthi ukuthola umntwana ungakashadi, these are the issues ohlangana nazo. So that is why I come back and say ukuthola umntwana ungashadanga, it's not the right thing. So siyokhuluma ngayo ngelinye ilanga le. Okugcina ke ukuthi that is why neBhayibheli lisho ku 1 Corinthians 13 verse 11 ithi mangisasa umntwana bengenza izinto zomntwana ngathi ukuba indoda ngenza izinto zobudoda. So ngiyathemba ukuthi ni-understand ukuthi that is why nami ngibuya ukuzosho ukuthi hayi ngoba ngi-perfect, hayi ngoba ngingakwenzanga, but ngangisaseyingane, but ukusuka kwami kuba inganeni ngenza izinto ngendlela yokuba mdala. So yeah guys, indaba yama-seminars ngicela ukuzwa i-feedback yenu ukuthi nithini, how are we going to go about doing it. There are so many things involved. Ngiyafuna ukuba nani. Okay, thank you, bye.